Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to solve lag issue in Galaxy A35 5G. Guys, I'm using Galaxy A55 5G, but both the devices are completely same. So yes, this method is applicable on both devices. Firstly, you have to go to setting, go to the search bar and write window. Scroll down here, we have an option of a window animation scale. So just tap here and make sure to turn off the animation scale. Come to transition scale and then tap to animation scale and then off animation scale. Animation duration scale, then turn it off also. So this is how guys our lagging issue will be fixed. And if this isn't working, so you have to update your phone, and maybe possible you have any software update, and then just go to here, just go to software update and let's check about the update. By the way, my phone is up to date right now, and if you have any update, so it will be mentioned here. Then update your phone, lagging issue will be fixed. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.